C language, we are going to learn about our topic number 52, ternary operator. So let's move on. Ternary operator. So in the previous video we have learned about the binary operator. Now it's time to learn about the ternary operators. Operators. So the C language supports following types of operators. So as we have studied about the arithmetic operators in the arithmetic topics, and we have seen that arithmetic operator has been divided into two sections, that was simple arithmetic operator and increment and decrement operators. After that, we have studied about the assignment operator, and in that we have studied about the single operator, single assignment operator, multiple assignment operator, compound and shortcut assignment operators. After that, we have studied about the conditional operator, which is also known as the comparison operator and relational operators. And in logical operator, we have studied about the logical operator, that was the AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operators. So this was very important one also. A special operator is that kind of operator which is storing the address of that variable, that is and, or we can say ampersand operators, size of operator. These all are the special operators. Bitwise operators were those operators which like and bitwise, or bitwise, not bitwise. So these all were the bitwise operators. So these was all the operator we have studied. Okay, now let's look at the ternary operators. So in C language, all operators are categorized into three types, as we have studied here, according to nature. So what are these types? Let's look at. We have studied about the unary operator in the previous video, and we have also talked about the binary operators. Now it's time to learn about the ternary operators. So I can remember you or memorize the fact about the unary operators. That unary operator were the operators which required only one operand to perform an operation. That was the unary operator. Binary operator were that operators was that operators which required two operands to perform an operation, as we have studied the binary operator section. Binary operators were those operators which allowed or which have the requirement of only two operands to perform an operation. Whereas the ternary operator is some special kind of operator, we can say. It is that operator which required three operands to perform. Okay, three operands to perform an operation. So this is known as the ternary operator. So let's look at the ternary operator with example. Ternary operator. So an operator said to be ternary which have required three operands to perform an operation. So as we have told you about this thing, that ternary operators require three operands to perform an operation. So let's look at the example to clarify these things. So here you are using the fact that A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Okay. A is greater than B is a condition. Is a condition which is illustrating us that A can be greater than B or may be greater than B. Suppose A contains a value 10 in it and B contains value 5 in it, then this statement is going to be true. Therefore the output it produces will be 1. Because the statement is true, therefore the output is true. Because the condition is true, therefore the output is true. And suppose if A is not greater than B, then in that case you will be getting 0. So actually the thing and the working principle of a ternary operator is just same as what we have studied in the if else statement. If else statement. It is same as that we have studied. It is same as what we have studied in the if else statement. If the condition is true, then it is going to return as true. And if the condition is false, then it is going to be in the else part, that is false there. So actually the ternary operator works on the principle of else if else. Okay. So let's quick revise about the unary, binary and ternary operators. That what we have studied, what we have got from the fact. We have studied about the unary operator, about that unary operator is that operator which have required only one operand to perform an operation. Okay, so that was the unary operator. And in the binary operator, we have studied about that operator which required two operand to perform an operation. So that was the binary operator. And here in the ternary operator, we have learned about the thing is that ternary operator is that operator which have required three operand to perform an operation. So here is that example. Here is that example which is illustrating us about the fact that A is greater than B is a condition. So therefore, question mark. It is a part of the syntax. It is a part of the syntax question mark. Then, if the condition is true, then whatever you need to execute it, it will execute. And if the condition is false, then it will execute this command. Okay. So this was all about the ternary operator. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.